We welcome you to our YouTube channel. The Forex market is not easy. It is a very difficult task because it is one of the #1 jobs in the world, which is based on the investment of countries. So first, learn it and then invest in it. Our team has been working in Forex for 7 years. Our team has best traders who mostly work in gold. And you must be watching our VIP Telegram public channel, in which our team provides most of the signals for gold. Our team also works in oil, indexes, Forex majors pairs, but our team provides most of the signals for gold, in which the accuracy of our team is 90% to 95%. And you can join our VIP Gold FX signals for 1 month, for 3 months, for 6 months, for 1 year, and for lifetime. Hello, my dear friends. Our team will provide you with 3 types of trades: scalping trades, intraday trade, and swing trades. Our team will provide daily minimum of 4 to 5 signals and a maximum of 8 to 10 signals daily. Our Telegram and mail links are in the description of each video. Our team has many methods to read Forex, but the methods our team works on are price action, SMC, and elite wave. And the charts that our team uses for trade entry are as follows: M1, M4, M15, M30, H1, and H4. Our team representatives also manage Forex accounts. You can open an account with any broker as you like, one with a minimum leverage of 500, and anything more is good for us and you. Account size, minimum $5,000. Profit sharing, 50%. You can send money to buy our VIP Forex gold signals via Skrill, BTC, USDT, and via Binance. You can also pay via credit card.